Thank you, Donald. Thank you, Poland, for hosting us today. It's an excellent event. Thank you. Over the past 6 months, we have taken important steps to strengthen our defense. Our defense spending is among the highest in NATO. Estonia is investing 5.4% of its GDP this year to defense. We have also made good progress in the EU. Europe's defense starts at its eastern border. That is why we have worked on the projects like the Eastern Flank Watch. Air defense, drone capabilities and military mobility matter to all of EU. By working together, we can achieve more, faster and at a lower cost. And at the same time, Russia's war continues. Putin hopes that threats and provocations will weaken our support for Ukraine. But the opposite has happened. The recent drone incidents show that Europe must move faster. We need more support for Ukraine, more pressure on Russia. We must improve drone surveillance and counter-drone capabilities. Last week, the European Council called for faster action. We now expect the European Commission to move quickly as well. We need stronger support for the Eastern Flank, especially from the European Defence Industry Programme and EU border funds. We came here directly from the Ukraine Recovery Conference, and today we are not only helping Ukraine. Ukraine is also helping us through its battlefield experience and defence industry capabilities. We understand this very well on the Eastern Flank. Thank you.